Vanguard Laundry Services has been operating for around 4 years, and we offer employment to people with background of disadvantage. We saw that there was a great need in Toowoomba for people from a refugee background to get some support into the workforce. So we were approached by TAFE after we began hiring a number of migrants and sort of built a bit of a reputation as a migrant-friendly workplace. And they came to us and asked if we'd like to be involved, and we said of course we would, because we see that as very much in tune with our social mission.
After we arrived in Australia, we don't know what we're doing yet. My case manager she's told me, say, Ibrahim, have some place. You're learning about course English. Yep, at TAFE. Yeah.
The Work Ready program is a softly approach whereby they're able to get a work experience placement within the program, and we're basically the middleman. We're assisting with that process. We're doing the negotiation. From what I have noticed, the biggest challenge for the students is experience. So many students in the initial interview that we had with the students prior to placement into the program was, I apply for jobs and I don't have the experience. So they saw the Work Ready program as a way to prepare themselves for the work experience placement, which in turn would give them the experience that they needed in the workplace.
The program is so well supported that it's really a very small level of work on the part of the employer, and the benefits are really quite substantial. I think further to that, what I would really recommend is that workplaces really do consider bringing on migrants as employees.
Firstly, I want to study and I want to improve my language. Then my goal in the future, I would like to become a policeman in the future.
Now my English is improving. Speaking, meeting different people. Like I say, thank you so much in the TAFE. The TAFE is like home.
Honestly, when we arrived to Australia, because it's different everything. The first problem, we don't know how we talk with the people, because we don't know language in English. It's second language for me, but we little bit too hard for all the people, refugees coming to Australia. But after that, when we learn a little bit, it's easy.